folks, Mike here with Overland Archie. Today we're going to be talking about bumper replacement and winch install. First step is to remove the old bumper, which is simple enough. An 18mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver will get the job done. Let's get to it. Okay, so what we found was sometimes things don't go quite as planned. The 8 bolts that are holding on the factory bumper were frozen solid. Archie's a 2016, so she's only 3 years old, but those bolts were very difficult to get off. Eventually, we had to break out a breaker bar, break the bolts off, and then they were able to come out. Now, we're ready to remove the factory bumper from the front of the Jeep. With all the bolts off, it's pretty simple. Archie's new bumper, provided by EAG, is an all-steel construction with a built-in winch mounting plate and LED fog lights. It's a pretty simple install, just 8 more bolts, and we'll be ready to go. With the bumper secured to the Jeep, the last step is to plug in the LED fog lights. EAG also provides 2 extension cables that will allow you to plug in their LED fog lights directly to the plug from the factory fog lights. Now these are an additional purchase, so make sure that you order these with your bumper. Okay, with the bumper install complete, the next step is to mount the winch to the bumper. One of the things we're going to need to think about is how we're wiring the winch when we go to install it. We'll want to make sure that the cables are run and that there's enough room to allow all of the cables to get behind the bumper. Let's get to it. Okay, with our bumper and winch install complete, let's go over what we chose for Overland Archie. A mid-width EAG steel bumper with built-in LED fog lights and winch plate. And a 12,000-pound winch with a 60-foot steel cable. Thanks for watching today's video. Our bumper and winch install went pretty smoothly. We had a couple of snags, but that's to be expected with any type of install. Stay tuned on the channel for additional updates. And the next episode, did I choose the right tire for Overland Archie? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you out on the trails.